Hi everyone. So I'm very excited to announce very soon I'm going to have do-it-yourself kits for the Great Discus so you can make your own, and I'm going to do bind and flies so I can build one for you customly. And let me just share with you a little bit of the progress that I've been making with the Great Discus. So I have a couple versions that I've done, like a more premium build with a Mamba stack in there and a Pro 32. This is kind of my favorite setup right now. It's around 121 grams. I got 1504.5 motors on it with the Phoenix 2 Nano Cam, and this is my favorite setup right now. I'm using the stock antenna still, and then I made this print where you can put a capacitor and then the cord comes out just enough that you can plug it in underneath, and you can do it on top if you want to, but lately I've been flying more with the battery underneath, and I have this is the first version of the ugly fin, but now we have a better version. So we got the fin, we got mounts, we have prints for a 45-degree angle, and I also have a mount just for if you take the stock Crux 35, put it on this frame with the stock camera with a adjustable mount. So I have a mount where you can just be able to adjust the camera there. And this is close to stock though anyways. We have the original Crux 35 flight controller in there. I just put a Foxeer camera and a different antenna on it. I printed these antenna mounts, so this will work with lots of the, I think it works with the Cherry Rush antennas, and with that way you can use the fancier VTX with the fancier mount. But this is 99 grams with the Happy Model motors, the Happy Model all-in-one, and I just kind of put one of the Speedy B VTXs. I actually prefer, I think that the Nano 32 is better than the Speedy B 800. The Speedy B, I always have to manually adjust the power settings because it doesn't seem to do it through the flight controller. I don't know, it's just been a pain in the butt for me. With this setup, basically with the stock Crux 35, you shove it on a frame, and this is getting close to 10-minute flight times with a 650 4S. So I'm leaning towards getting the Dogcom 4S 560s, which have a new chemistry in them. So like these weigh around 80 grams. How much do these weigh? I think they weigh 80 grams. So this guy weighs, 79 grams. And the Dogcom 650s weigh 82 grams. But the Dogcom 560s weigh only 58 grams, I believe. So it's like 20 grams savings going down to 560s. So that's what I'm planning to do, and I'll be testing those. Getting like 10-minute flight times out of a 650 cell is pretty awesome. So here you can see that it's a one pack, and you can just see how it's doing. Make sure you subscribe. Very soon I'm going to do a build video. So I'm going to be using I just ordered from Happy Model some Crux 35s, the V2s. So I'm going to be doing a build video so that you can get do-it-yourself kits off of me, and you can follow the build video and do it yourself, or I can build one for you. I'm charging $100 per build, Canadian, so it's cheaper for you American people. I'm also going to have a digital build available. A Naked Vista build, the analog build, and you'll be able to order those off me if you want. If you want to build it yourself, you'll be able to get the do-it-yourself kits. You're going to be able to get all the prints off of Thingiverse, and I'm still working on tons of different prints for it. You can basically fit most antennas. Like with this mount, you can use these kind of antennas, and with this mount, you can use the Happy Model, just the Happy Model antenna and everything. And I also ordered a Happy Model Mobula 803, so we're going to be testing that out on the channel, and then once I break that, I'll probably build an 03 Discus as well. Yeah, those are the updates. Check out this one pack. Pretty crazy that you get almost 10 minutes of freestyle with this setup. I think lots of people are going to really love it, especially with the whole remote ID and all that stuff happening. You don't have to worry about any of that with this drone.
Hold on, if I feel like letting go. Whoa. Hold on till tomorrow. Ooh. I can't be to hide.